All right, today we're going to change out the cabin filter, and this is all you need is just this. This is the brand that I got, Mau. I like my filters German, so that's why I like Man filters and Mau filters. That's how you pronounce it. Somebody down there correct me. So yeah, very German. Okay, so you're going to do the cabin air filter. You open up the glove box. And you see right here, you can squeeze it. You're going to do that on both sides. Get my fingers out of the way. And then up here, there's a little door. You're going to open this door and push it. Pull this, and it's going to have to come out a little bit. So right over there, you see that? It's just going to pop out. And then this is going to come down like that. You notice how it's got little arrows for the airflow, and you're going to pull it out. All right, so this is the old filter. Let's take out the new one. See what it looks like. There's the little thing that tells you which way it flows. So that means this is the top. You can see how dirty this one is. It should be white. And if you look inside, you can see where it's all the pollen and stuff that it's been catching over the years. So we'll just open this one up and install it. All right, so now you're going to want to install your filter, and you want to make sure that when you install this, that you get the arrows going the same way as they went before. So you want to make sure that you have these arrows pointing in the right direction. And it has a little thingy right here. So you got dirty air, filter, clean air. So the air's flowing from out to in. There you go. You're going to have to, at the same time you're closing the door, you got to lift it. And that's it. Close it. Cabin filter's done.